Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In this quick video, we will learn about HTML entities, what they are, why we use them, and some common examples you will use in real projects. Don't worry, I will explain everything in a super simple way so that even if you are just starting HTML, you will understand it easily. So if you are ready, then let's get started. So let's first quickly generate the HTML boilerplate. So for that, let me write exclamation mark and press enter. You can see HTML boilerplate has been generated. So let's first quickly change the title to entities in HTML. So let's discuss what are HTML entities. Sometimes in HTML, you want to display special characters like less than, greater than, ampersand, or even extra spaces. But the problem is HTML uses those same characters for its own text and syntax. So if you type less than p greater than directly, the browser thinks it's a tag, not text. That's where HTML entities comes in. They are special codes that start with an ampersand and end with a semicolon and tell the browser to show a specific character. Let's try a quick example. Let me write a h1 tag and the text is Hi, my name is Surya Prakash. So if I save it and to run this HTML file, let me click this go live button from this Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so you can see the text is displaying the screen. But I want to give some space before my name. So if I give some space here and if I try to save the file, you can see there is no space. Even if I add many spaces before my name, the browser will show only one space because HTML ignores extra spaces. To fix this, we use something called HTML space entities. So here I am going to use the HTML space entities. So that is ampersand NBSP. NBSP stands for non-breaking space. So if I save it, so you can see one space is added in the browser. So if I put here multiple times, so you can see lot of extra spaces are added before my name. Let me show you some more example. Let's look at some common symbols you will need. So let me write it here 5 greater than 2. Okay, so if I save it, so you can see here this greater than. But instead of this, we are going to use the that is ampersand GT. If I save it, then you can see this greater than symbol is displayed in the browser. So if I want to write 3 less than 5, it should be like ampersand LT semicolon 5. So if I save it, then you can see it is 3 less than 5. So this is greater than and less than. So let me show you copyright and trademarks. And for the copyright, we are going to write ampersand copy semicolon, save it. Then you can see it is displaying here. So for the trademark, we are going to write ampersand trade. So if I save it, then you can see it is showing the trademark symbol. Let me show you the currency symbol. So for the cent, ampersand cent. To save it and check it, you can see the cent symbol is displaying here. Like this, we have a pound symbol, ampersand pound. So here it is, cent and ampersand. So let's do it. Some other example like sweets. If I want to display spade, ampersand spade. So if I want to display gloves symbol, then it should be ampersand gloves. So it is displayed here. And let me display the heart symbol as well, ampersand heart semicolon. So here it is. And diamond symbol should be dimes. So like this, you can use the entities in your project. So now you know what HTML entities are, why we use them, and how they help us display special symbols, spaces, and characters in a web page. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.